Hi everyone, this is Kobe with Silver Eagle Locksmith. In today's video, I'm not going to talk about the regular topics in my channel, home security related stuff. Basically what I want to do, guys, is to get your contribute and help to fight the coronavirus. Okay, let me explain. Basically, by sharing your processing power of your GPU and CPU computer in your house or business, basically what you can do is to help medical researchers around the world to fight the coronavirus. It will help to do the protein calculation called protein folding and understanding the specific protein that's been used by the coronavirus. And if we understand how that protein folds into its final structure, that we can potentially find a way to disrupt that folding so it can't reach its final structure, and then the virus cannot propagate any further. The problem is that while the body and cells in the body folding process naturally occur very quickly, to do it with a computer, it's extremely difficult, and basically it can be much faster if we use many computers around the world sharing their actual processing power, and it will create a big network of computer that will help to make those calculations, and hopefully by doing so the researchers out there around the world will find a way to fight that coronavirus. It can help tremendously, guys, and it will speed up things very, very good. So this is what I'm asking for you guys. I will share a link down below in the description of the video where you can download a software that basically will help you to contribute and basically speed up things and sharing your processing power of your computer in your house or your business. Now, you don't have to do it while you're working on the computer. You can do it while you're basically not using your computer. And I also have a team that I opened, a Silver Eagle Locksmith team. The number is 238-537. And when you basically download the software, you will get to a web page that will ask you to put the team number. And by doing so, we can all track how much we contribute fighting the coronavirus. That's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty safe. There is no problem, and it will tremendously help with fighting the coronavirus to do medical research around the world. And this is my message today, guys, and I hope that all of you, my subscribers and viewers around the world watching it, it will definitely help, and that's what you can do nowadays. And I hope that you all be well and healthy, and we will find a cure for this coronavirus very fast. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.